Chapter 4. Basics of Presentation. PowerPoint includes all the tools that you need to create a professional-looking presentation. A presentation is a series of slides that include text, graphic, picture, audio, chart, videos, and more. Slide structure. A slide contains a placeholder, which is a marked dotted line rectangle area, and contains items such as text, graphics, charts, etc. Some placeholders have thumbnail size icons that indicate the options to insert pictures, charts, videos, tables, smart art, and online pictures. Slide layout. A slide layout is an arrangement of your slide content in different types of placeholders, formatting and positioning. Each layout has a different arrangement and a descriptive name. Open an existing presentation. 1. In the PowerPoint window, click on File tab. 2. Click on Open and select Browse. 3. The Open dialog box appears. 4. Choose the location of the file and click on Open. Edit a slide in PowerPoint. Editing a slide requires adding a new slide, moving a slide, duplicating a slide, and deleting a slide. Add a new slide. How to add a new slide with a different layout. 1. On the Home tab, click on New Slide in the Slides group. 2. The Office theme drop-down menu appears. 3. Choose among the different slide layouts, like title and content, to content, blank, etc. Move a slide. 1. Select the slide you want to move. 2. On the Home tab, click on Cut in the Clipboard group. 3. On the Home tab, click on Paste in the Clipboard group. Or press Ctrl+X on the keyboard. Press Ctrl+V on the keyboard. The slide is moved to a new place. Duplicate a slide. 1. Select the slide you want to duplicate. 2. On the Home tab, click on Copy, drop-down arrow, and select Duplicate. Or right-click on the slide and select Duplicate slide. Delete a slide. Right-click on the slide you want to delete and select Delete slide. Or on the Home tab, in the Tell Me text box, type Delete slide and choose the command. Rearrange slides. 1. Select the slide you want to rearrange. 2. In the thumbnail pane, click and hold the slide. 3. Drag and drop the slide in the desired place. 4. To rearrange multiple slides together, press the Shift key and select more than one slide. Drag and drop the slides to a new place. View your presentation in Slideshow. Once you have created your presentation, now you would probably want to show it in front of an audience, or you want to view it yourself. The view that displays the presentation in full screen mode is the Slideshow view. On the Slideshow tab, select between From Beginning or From Current Slide in the Start Slideshow group, or press the F5 key on the keyboard. Note: to save and open your presentation always in Slideshow, click on File, Save As, select PowerPoint Show. From the drop-down Save As, type and save.